Alexa, what are cnidarians?
Canadians are people identified with the country of Canada. This connection may be residential, legal, historical, or cultural.
Alexa, what type of organism are cnidarians?
Canadians are a type of mammal. They are considered to be one of the most advanced species of mammals, capable of complex communication and coordination. Canadians are also known for their diverse culture, rich history, and beautiful landscapes.
Alexa, what type of organism is a cnidarian?
A Canadian is a person who is a citizen of Canada. The Canadian horse is a separate breed from the Canadian citizen.
Alexa, tell me about the organism cnidarian.
I know about a number of Canadian dinosaurs including Tyrannosaurus, Triceratops, Ankylosaurus, and Parasaurolophus.
Alexa, tell me about the type of animal called cnidarian.
From Wikipedia.org. The Canadian, French, cheval canadien, is a horse breed from Canada.
Alexa, what kind of organism is a cnidarian?
A Canadian is a person from Canada or someone who is descended from the indigenous peoples of Northern America and used to navigate the dense forests of Northern America using birch bark canoes.
Alexa, tell me about the type of animal called cnidarian.
The Canadian horse is a horse breed from Canada. The Canadian horse is strong, agile, and intelligent. It has a proud and versatile history as a working horse on the Canadian prairies and in North American cavalry. The Canadian horse is a popular show and competition horse today.
Alexa, what kind of animal is a cnidarian?
A Canadian animal is a beaver. These animals were chosen as the national animal of Canada because of their strength and perseverance.
Alexa, what is the class of animal called cnidarian?
From cansumer.ca. Sometimes referred to as Canadian buffalo, bison are herbivores who eat forbs, sedges, and grass, and have a lifespan of 20 years.
Alexa, tell me about cnidarian animals. Alexa, tell me about cnidarian animals. Alexa, what type of organism is a cnidarian?
A Canadian is a horse from the Canadian horse breed. The Canadian horse is native to Canada and has a distinctively strong and agile build, making it a popular choice for a variety of riding and working activities. The breed has a proud history and is widely respected for its toughness and versatility.
Alexa, what type of organism is cnidarian?
From Wikipedia.org. The Canadian Arctic tundra is the second largest vegetation region in the country, consisting of dwarf shrubs, sedges and grasses, mosses and lichens.
Alexa, what type of organism is called cnidarian?
From Wikipedia.org. The Canada goose, Branta canadensis, sometimes called Canadian goose, is a large wild goose with a black head and neck, white cheeks, white under its chin, and a brown body.
Alexa, what type of organism is a never mind. Alexa, what type of organisms are cnidarians? Alexa, what type of animals are cnidarians?
Here's something I found on World Atlas. Some of the animals native to Canada include the Gaspé shrew, the maritime shrew, and the Vancouver Island marmot.
Alexa, What type of organisms are cnidarians?
Canadians are human beings just like any other nation in the world. They are residents of Canada, a country in the northern part of North America. Canadians are of many different ethnicities, cultures, and faiths, and they speak English and French as their official languages.
Alexa, what kind of organisms are cnidarians?
Canadians are multi-ethnic and multicultural people. Some prominent Canadian mammals include the Canada lynx and the North American beaver.
Alexa, tell me about cnidarian organisms.
I know about a number of Canadian dinosaurs including Tyrannosaurus,
Alexa,
Triceratops.
what type of organism is cnidarian?
A Canadian is an organism that is a citizen of Canada. Canadians are identified by their passports as citizens of a particular country. The Canadian Arctic tundra is a unique vegetation region consisting of dwarf shrubs, sedges, grasses, mosses, and lichens.
Alexa, tell me about cnidarian organisms and how they fit into the tree of life.
Canadian organisms, particularly microbes, often exhibit a high degree of uniqueness and biodiversity. Their genetic makeup and biological traits contribute to the diversification and complexity of the tree of life. Their presence and evolution are integral to our understanding of the history and development of life on Earth.
Alexa, tell me about organisms called cnidarians.
From Wikipedia.org. Well known as Canadian are those mammals that are comfortable in northern Canada,
Alexa,
such as the polar.
What organisms are called cnidarians?
From Wikipedia.org. Well known as Canadian are those mammals that
Alexa,
are comfortable in.
What organisms are cnidarians?
I know about a number of Canadian dinosaurs including Tyrannosaurus, Triceratops, Ankylosaurus, and Parasaurolophus.
Stop. Just stop.